Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Hub Family, where we bring you all the latest and greatest in the world of cars. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on everything automotive. Today, we've got a true beast to talk about at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG. Cut to host standing next to a stunning 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG in a sleek, modern setting. Host, you. Now, when you think of Mercedes-Benz, the word luxury probably comes to mind, but the AMG badge? That's all about performance, precision, and power. The 2025 AMG lineup is taking everything you love about Mercedes A style, comfort, and technology and adding a whole new level of high-performance excitement. Today, we'll be breaking down what makes this latest version of the AMG such a game-changer. Let's get started. Scene: a cinematic shot of the 2025 AMG exterior at the car's sleek lines, aggressive front grille, and performance features. Host, you. Voiceover. First off, let's talk about the looks. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG is a head-turner from every angle. The front end is as aggressive as it gets, with a bold AMG grille, sharp LED headlights, and a wide stance that lets you know this car means business. Whether it's the GT model, the C-Class AMG, or the E-Class AMG, the design is unmistakable. It screams performance, even when it's standing still. Scene: the camera zooms in on specific design elements like the air intakes, the AMG wheels, and the aerodynamic body lines. Host, you. Take a closer look at the body, and you'll see those signature AMG touches: a functional air intakes for enhanced cooling, sculpted side skirts for downforce, and those gorgeous AMG performance wheels that are not only stylish but engineered for high-speed stability. The entire car is built to cut through the air with precision, keeping you planted no matter what the road throws at you. Scene: cut to the interior of the 2025 AMG, showcasing the high-tech dashboard, plush seats, and steering wheel. Host, you. Step inside, and it's a whole new level of luxury. The 2025 AMG doesn't just focus on performance. It's also a place where you want to spend hours behind the wheel. From the Buck's touchscreen system to the customizable AMG sport seats, everything is designed with the driver in mind. You'll find the perfect balance of luxury and sportiness, with high-end materials like Nappa leather, real carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum throughout the cabin. Scene: close-up of the digital cockpit and performance-focused dashboard. Host, you. Voiceover. The digital cockpit is a highlight, with customizable displays that put all the crucial performance data right at your fingertips. Think speed, torque, engine temperature, and even G-forces when you're pushing it to the limit. Scene: host standing next to the AMG, talking to the camera. Host, you. Now, let's talk about the heart of the 2025 AMG at the engine. Whether it's the AMG 63 or the AMG 43, this car is built for pure, unadulterated performance. Scene: footage of the car revving its engine, transitioning to a high-speed drive through twisty roads. Host, you. Voiceover. Under the hood, the AMG 63 comes with a 4.0 liters V8 twin-turbo engine, delivering an incredible 577 horsepower and 590 pounds-feet of torque. That means it can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. And for those who want something a little more accessible, the AMG 43 offers a turbocharged 3.0 liters inline-six engine, producing 402 horsepower, with a 0 to 60 time of 4.4 seconds. Scene: animated specs graphics highlighting key engine details. Host, you. Here's a quick rundown of the key specs for the 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG lineup. AMG 63, engine, 4.0 liters V8 twin-turbo horsepower, 577 horsepower torque, 590 pounds-feet 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.4 seconds top speed, 186 miles per hour. AMG 43, engine, 3.0 liters inline-six turbo horsepower, 402 horsepower torque, 369 pounds-feet 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.4 seconds. Scene: footage of the car cornering, showing off its handling and performance features. Host, you, voiceover, of course, it's not just about raw power. The 2025 AMG features AMG-tuned suspension and active dampers that adjust to road conditions, giving you an impeccable driving experience whether you're on the track or cruising the highway. And with the available AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, you can tackle corners and straightaways with complete confidence. Scene, the car driving at night, showcasing the illuminated AMG logo, exhaust, and road performance. Host, you. And let's not forget the soundtrack. The AMG Performance exhaust system provides that iconic growl, whether you're cruising through town or pushing it to its limits on the track. It's the kind of sound that makes you smile every time you hit the gas. Scene, host standing next to the car, smiling and talking to the camera. Host, you. So, who is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG for? If you're someone who wants to experience the perfect balance of luxury, technology, and world-class performance, this car is definitely for you. Whether you want a super fast track machine, a luxury cruiser, or a mix of both, the AMG lineup delivers on every front. Scene, final shots of the 2025 AMG driving through scenic roads, finishing at sunset. Host, you, voiceover. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz AMG is a performance masterpiece, a one that'll take you places in style and speed. If you've got a need for speed and a taste for luxury, this is your ride. Scene, host wrapping up the video. Host, you. So, what do you think? Would you drive the 2025 AMG? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this review, make sure to smash that like button, share with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe to Car Hub Family for more exciting car reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Text on screen, subscribe to Car Hub Family, with an animated bell icon. Host, you. Drive safe, stay fast, and keep loving cars.